Okay, so what we have here is a mold that I'm working on, and we're going to make up another ring. This is going to be my ring mold to make the blanks for rings, just with a little bit of resin in the bottom. Not much. Let's move that around. And now let's pop some wood in there. To avoid dust bunnies. I'm gonna let this sit for just maybe 15 minutes or so. We do have more resin to put in there, but I want this to get a little more thick so that I can try to create some separation between the translucent yellow color here and whatever color I throw in there. I've just mixed up some blue here. And I'm just going to this to push it down a bit. We got a little bit of purple, but I think that's just going to blend in with the yellow. Okay, time for the demolding. So we did have some leak out. That's kind of cool, actually. We might need to take this to the garage to demold. Coming. Let's get the other side. Ouch. That hurt. Tricky one. That's coming out nicely. This is the one where the resin is leaked. So, unfortunately, we lost the audio, so I'm going to do a bit of a voiceover. So, I was able to get it out of the mold. I used a chisel, popped it right out, except it did break the resin a bit. So I think we have enough to keep. So I'm just going to cut off the little nubs of wood. And now I took it over to the drill press and popped a hole in it. So we should have some nice designs right on the edge there. And we're just going to trim this up into an octagon so that it spins easier on the lathe. Now before the lathe, we're going to bring it over to the sander just to get some flat sides on it. Okay, I've got this on a makeshift mandrel, and we're just going to turn it around and then go from there. I want to see if I can actually just sand this down. It's not too much material to go through, so we'll see how it makes up. Okay, it's coming along. Just need to put it back on there. The reason I went to this is just because I had set this one up previous for a ring I had made a long time ago. Left like this, and it seems to fit this one pretty darn good. Let's see how we're looking. Oh, we are not looking good. We've got a break. I'm going to fix that with, I think, a little CA glue. Okay, so we went with some crazy glue. Seems to work pretty good. We're going to go a little lighter on this, and then we're going to polish this up. A bit of cleanup on the inside there. And there you have it, a polished up blue and yellow ring. I love the way that the grain sticks out. I love the combination of colors. It's the colors of my favorite football team. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing, and have a great day.